Well, my friends, this is a case of girl 8 years. This girl, 8 years old, is brought to me from the Coach Bihar district of Bengal. The main problem is speaking difficult since childhood. This child cannot utter many words at a time, cannot pass a sentence, so aphasia, speaking difficult, speaking cannot since childhood. কথা বলতে পারছে না, একটা দুটো শব্দ অনেক সময় বলে, কিন্তু সে না বলার মতন। আলটিমেটলি the child has been suffering from aphasia, for which the parents consulted in different hospitals in India. This is one of the renowned hospital conducted by the central government, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Bangalore, in short form NIMHANS. NIMHANS means National Institute of Mental Health, NIMHANS. HANS means Health and Neuroscience. So they have consulted in the NIMHANS. So all investigations are done, but nothing abnormality was found. They have consulted also in Vellore, in the Christian Medical College, but without any good result. This is the picture of the child. So they have come to us with the great expectation that something can be found. Some miraculous result may happen by homeopathic mode of treatment. Let's see, let's try by our mode of treatment. The symptomatology of the child, chili patient, sheath beshi, according to the report of guardian, chili, desire for sweets and warm food, and obstinate child, so the medicine go in favor of lycopodium. শীত বেশি, খাবার দাবার একটু গরম ভালোবাসে, মিষ্টি ভালোবাসে, একা থাকতে চায়। লাইকোপোডিয়াম দুটোই আছে, একা থাকতেও চায়, আবার একা থাকলে ভয়ও পায়। So however she prefers alone, obstinate tendency, desire for sweets, desire for warm food, and chili patient, the medicine is lycopodium. But another point struck in my mind when the child at the age of 2 years, so at the age of 2 years, the girl suffered from, not suffered, there was a history of head injury. The scalp ruptured, but investigations revealed no pathology, no abnormality. So it's considered in my mind that when at the age of 2 years, at the learning of language, she had an attack of head injury. So head injury complains after the head injury may affect badly in the cognitive part, the speech point of the brain. So one of the best remedies in homeopathy, head injury after effects, natrum salt. So I have prescribed natrum salt in 50 millisimal scale of potencies. So let's see the result. Our selected medicine is lycopodium. It should be kept at our hand. Let's see the result. I shall share you, my friends.